Laying down the basics. Understanding lay-down principles. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you become more fluent and confident speakers. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that often pops up in both professional and personal settings: lay-down principles. This expression is not just about rules. It's about the foundation of how we operate in various aspects of life. So, let's break it down together and understand its nuances. Lay-down principles is a phrase that means to establish or set out clear guidelines or rules that are intended to govern behavior or procedures. When someone lays down principles, they are essentially setting the standards by which something should be done. These principles serve as a foundation or a framework within which actions are to be taken or decisions are made. It's about creating a set of core values or rules that provide direction and help in maintaining consistency and integrity in various situations. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some examples in different contexts. In a professional setting, a company might lay down principles for employee conduct, outlining expectations for professionalism, communication, and ethical behavior. This ensures everyone is on the same page and knows what is expected of them. In personal development, an individual might lay down principles for their own life, such as honesty, hard work, and compassion. These principles guide their actions and decisions, helping them stay true to their values. In environmental policies, governments or organizations might lay down principles for environmental protection, such as reducing carbon emissions, conserving water, and promoting sustainability. These principles guide policies and practices to protect the planet. Laying down principles is crucial for several reasons. It helps in providing clarity and direction. Principles serve as a guiding light, making it easier for individuals or groups to make decisions and take actions that align with their goals and values. Ensuring consistency and integrity. With clear principles, actions and decisions are more likely to be consistent and reflect the core values of an individual or organization. Building trust and accountability. When principles are clearly communicated and followed, it builds trust among team members, stakeholders, or within a community, as it demonstrates a commitment to upholding certain standards. Understanding the phrase, lay down principles, and its significance can empower you to establish a solid foundation in various aspects of your life or work. Whether you're leading a team, managing a project, or navigating personal growth, clear principles can guide your path and ensure you're moving in the right direction. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of laying down principles and how they can be applied in different contexts. Remember, the principles you set today can pave the way for your success tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.